What is up, Tech Nation? Jack Scalfani here with another Tech Time episode. There's a fight going on. I thought we finally got rid of the fighting action with Amazon when Amazon and Apple made up. If you guys didn't know, Apple TV wouldn't put Amazon Prime channel on their box, and in return, Amazon would not sell Apple TV on Amazon. Okay? Now, as we all know, Amazon is very powerful, and the owner, Jeff Bezos, whatever, however he pronounces it. Forgive me, Jeff. I don't know you personally, but he has been declared the richest man in the world, valued at $100 billion. So Amazon and Apple made up their fight. They did nice, and now you get Amazon Prime on Apple TV, and you get to buy Apple TV on Amazon. So they've cleared the air. Good for them. Now, the new fight. Google and Amazon are at it. And the whole thing started off with the assistant speakers, the smart speakers, whatever you're calling them. It's the Amazon Echo and the Google Home. I'm a fan of everybody's kind of chosen sides. So I chose Google Home. The reason why is for its search, because most of the time I'm asking my Google Assistant for information. And Google information is better than anybody's information. So let's start the fight. All right, so it looks like Google started this fight, unless somebody can tell me an earlier action that caused Google to do this. But the first action was Google pulled YouTube off of the Amazon Echo. They don't work. Pulled it off the Fire Stick, pulled it off the tablets. Everything Amazon, Google pulled YouTube away from. Okay, they no longer have that. The day they did that, Amazon filed for the name Amazon Tube, which leads us to believe that Amazon is looking to possibly go up against YouTube. Don't know if that's possible. Don't know if they just did that as a threat or, giving the bird or whatever. But honestly, all us YouTubers are hoping that Amazon does Amazon Tube. So if you guys don't know, Google now owns Nest Thermostats, the company Nest. I believe they're home security. They have cameras and stuff. But it seems that Amazon also informed Nest recently that none of the Nest products would be available on Amazon anymore either. So now there's no Google products on Amazon. There's no Nest products on Amazon. And Nest is like, hey, we're just this poor little company that Google bought. Yeah, well, now you're owned by Google and you're not on Amazon. And then Amazon bought the company Ring. If you don't know Ring, they started with the doorbell cameras. That was their biggest success. They now have security cameras and lights and all this other stuff. And Amazon now has Ring, where Google has Nest. They've kind of bought similar companies for home automation. Unfortunately, the fight continues. I have this feeling that Google might, I know they can't remove Amazon off their search because that would be like a major lawsuit, that Amazon products, but I think they might tweak their algorithms so that they legally can squash Amazon's search results on Google. I would guess that's their next move if the fight escalates to the next level. So my question to you is this: what's worse, if Google removes all of Amazon from Google search, or if Amazon just continues to never let Google or any of the companies they own put products on Amazon? Who gets hurt more? So Tech Nation, chime in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this battle, and can it get any worse? Also, what smart speaker have you invested in? The next episode, I'm going to show you guys some stuff that you could do with your smart speaker. I'm going to take the Google Home, and I'm going to show you about 10 things that I've learned since I bought it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.